Hi friends, I'm back with another summer drink recipe. It's cool and it's refreshing and it is soothing, that is iced tea. We will be preparing lemon mint iced tea and it will be very relaxing when we will drink it. Okay, so I will be preparing iced tea for 2 servings, and for that I've taken 2 glasses of water, 1 teaspoon of tea leaves and 4 teaspoons of sugar, and I've boiled it for 2 to 3 minutes, and I've strained the tea leaves and I've got this. Well, this is a plain tea and we will prepare iced tea with it. For the preparation of iced tea, the ingredients we will be needing are the prepared tea, and after that 1 lemon cut into slices, and 1 lemon which we have taken the juice, and some fresh mint leaves, and lastly loads of ice cubes. That will be all. Okay, so for the preparation, at first in these glasses I will put these ice cubes. Yeah, loads of ice cubes will be needed. Okay. And I will add the lemon juices. I have juice of 1 lemon, so I am distributing it into half in both of the glasses. Okay, and here goes some mint leaves. You can roughly chop it with your hands like this if you want. Add that cut lemon. Alright, and now it's time to add the tea. Wow, looking so yummy, isn't it? And our lemon mint iced tea is totally ready to be served. So you saw it was really very easy to prepare, and it is looking delicious. It will taste delicious. Try it in your home, and if you like the video, do hit the like button, share it with your friends and family, and so don't forget to subscribe to my channel and send me feedback in the comment section below. Thank you very much. Till my next recipe. Bye bye.